Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make wedding signs on Canva. First, you want to go onto canva.com, then you are going to tap in the search bar and you are going to type in wedding signs. After typing in wedding signs, what I want you to do next is simply tap on whichever option suits you. So you could select search for wedding signs, or if you want welcome wedding signs, you could tap on that. For this one, I'll simply tap on search for wedding signs. After you have done that, you will see numerous templates that you can choose from. So you'll simply scroll down and you can select any one of these templates. And by the way, the templates that you see with a crown beside it that says Pro, that means that you would have to be one of Canva's paid subscribers to be able to add and edit that template. So for this example, I'll simply select this template right here. All you have to do is simply tap on it. Then you will see a preview of how it looks, and you'll tap on customize this template. After you have selected customize this template, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to add your own personal touches. So let's say, for example, you want to change the text. You can simply tap on the text that you would like to change, and then you will highlight it, and from there you can type in whatever you would like to add. You can also change the text size by tapping right where you see font size. You can also change the font style by tapping in the top left hand corner, and you can select a font style that you would like to use. For example, this one right here. There are numerous options you can do. You can also change the background photo if you want. So all you have to do is simply tap on the background. So you will simply tap on the page. Once you have tapped on the page, you are going to see background in the left hand menu option. You would tap on background, and if you would like to change the background image, you can select any one of these preloaded ones, or you could select upload and upload one of your own. If you would like to change the color, you could tap on any one of the color boxes by simply tapping on it, as you can see right there. This is a nice color right here. And again, as I said, you can customize the text size. After you're finished, all you'll need to do now is simply tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you'll select download to download your new wedding signs. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.